What's happening, guys, and welcome back to Finance Ninja. There are thousands of ways of generating an income, but rarely are they ever as simple as the one we're going to tell you about. In this video, we're talking about how to promote ClickBank products without a website with free traffic, which is very beginner friendly. But before we get started, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. Number 5. Content marketing. Believe it or not, without a website, content marketing is the most basic type of affiliate marketing. At its worst, content marketing is referred to as link dumping, which involves plastering referral links across forums, websites, and comment sections. However, since this is a fraud and inconvenient, we don't encourage it. Instead, you may give value to people's lives by answering questions about the items you're marketing on sites like Reddit and Quora. It might be difficult to come up with well-written and informative text, but it will increase your reputation and help you flourish as an affiliate marketer. At the end of the day, content marketing is time-consuming and exhausting. It is, however, completely free and a fantastic place to start. Depending on the quality of your material, it may potentially give some rapid victories. If you want to go on to more advanced kinds of affiliate marketing without having to establish a website, this is an excellent place to start. The most significant stumbling block to growing with this strategy is time. There just isn't enough time in the day to create fresh form responses and material with a product referral link. Here's a pro tip. Look for samples of material that includes a referral link and study the text. If you find out what works in the product area you're advertising, there's a strategy to content marketing that can be repeated. Number 4. Digital media buying. The technique of acquiring ad spaces on websites, search engines, and mobile applications is known as digital media buying. Without a website, it's the greatest form of marketing. It also happens to be the most costly. Digital material may be purchased in a variety of ways. Buying Facebook advertisements and Google AdWords are two common methods for affiliate marketers. You may also use Google AdWords to purchase native advertisements and learn about keyword purchasing. However, many of the most popular ad buying channels have grown more costly and competitive. New ad channels like Spotify and Reddit are one of the finest ways to get into digital media purchasing. The CPM, or cost per mile, is cheap, and figuring out how to get started requires less time and resources. Despite the fact that new types of digital media purchasing are less competitive, you'll still need to invest money to get started. If you want access to thorough instructions on digital media purchasing, you may also invest money on learning resources. There's no limit to the scale of digital media procurement. You may easily advance as an affiliate marketer if you locate offers that convert and gain confidence in your ad design abilities. You'll be more successful if you learn to test advertising and produce ads that convert. Always read, understand, and respect the ad restrictions on whichever platforms you're advertising on. You'll be punished and your advertising will be rejected if you don't follow the regulations. Number 3. Marketing with influencers. Another approach to accomplish affiliate marketing without a website is via influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a sort of marketing that focuses on utilizing prominent leaders to convey your brand's message to a bigger market according to the Ultimate Influencer Marketing Guide. You inspire, hire, or pay influencers to spread the word for you instead of marketing directly to a huge group of customers. For affiliate marketers, this entails advertising a product to your audience through a referral link. Obviously, the size of your audience is a limiting factor for influencer marketing. You need individuals to push items in order to be a successful influencer marketer. Influencer marketing, like digital ad purchasing, requires some capital. You'll almost certainly need to buy things for demos, and you'll probably need to cultivate a following with freebies and other incentives. Unfortunately, the size of your audience will always limit your ability to develop as an affiliate marketer. However, with so many social media venues to choose from, expanding and broadening your following is possible, though it will take time and effort. Here's a pro tip. Choose your field carefully. You don't want to unintentionally label yourself as an influencer, which would make increasing your following all the more difficult. Number 2. Using Medium. Medium is a free blogging platform where you can publish articles or short stories. The platform has a good reputation with Google's search algorithm, so if your post is good, you should be able to rank high on the search or search engine result pages. You may write on a number of topics relating to your specialty to sell your ClickBank goods utilizing free traffic from Medium. To advertise ClickBank items, this might include everything from how-tos to product reviews. You'd be using the Medium platform's authority to rank well in search engines and deliver free SEO traffic to your ClickBank items. Note that you must specify your affiliate disclosure, such as if you choose to buy the product advised at no extra cost to you, the links featured in this product review may result in a small compensation. This helps to fund my research, and please know that we only propose high-quality items. This will keep your Medium account from being suspended. Number 1. Marketing with Quora. Quora is a question and answer website where users may both ask and answer questions. Quora has the power to appear on the first page of Google search over 4 times for every 10 question-based inquiries. This is due to the large number of users and hundreds of user-created materials that are produced every hour. It would be a waste of time to inform you that the Quora platform has a lot of traffic to tap into. So if you want to market your ClickBank goods or services with free Quora visitors, this is how you do it. 1. Make a Quora account. 2. Sign up for a Quora account, which takes less than 5 minutes and is absolutely free. 3. Find Quora queries. 4. Look for questions that are relevant to your niche or product. Because all questions on Quora are organized into categories, it's simple to locate. 5. Ask yourself, which are the best ranking questions? And 6. Find out which Quora URLs are performing well on Google for their inquiry query using search engine optimization techniques. It's important to note that linking directly to your affiliate product might result in your Quora account being suspended because the platform doesn't want affiliate items being pushed upon it. As a result, rather than connecting straight to the affiliate items as sales pages, you should develop a bridge page that connects the two. Because you don't want to pay money on a landing page builder, you may create your landing page for free using Medium, Google Sites, or ConvertKits. If you're looking for a low-cost landing builder, the greatest all-in-one solution landing builder for WordPress is a good option. Finally, instead of spamming the platform, add value with your material. Answering questions with specific items, in my experience, converts better. You might, for example, utilize the specific keywords, the most effective email marketing tool, best landing page builder, and get response reviews, for example. I hope you use Quora to market your ClickBank affiliate items today in order to make your first sale. These were some of the details of how to promote ClickBank products without a website with free traffic. It's great that the internet has enabled us to get this far, and who knows what new innovation lies waiting for us in the future. This brings us to the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell so you don't miss out on future videos going forward. If you enjoyed the content, then do leave us a like, and until next time, take care and goodbye.